Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. Dollar Tree DIY, Dollar Tree DIY, Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to be making something that I have made almost a year ago. It was the second or third video I did on my channel. I made a Dollar Tree lantern and it didn't turn out at all. I ended up throwing it in the garbage because it was just like a mess and I hated it. So I wanted to redo that. So I'm going to make a Dollar Tree lantern and I can't wait because I got these really cute picture frames from the dollar store that I'm gonna be using and I can't wait till it's all done. So hopefully we don't have a remake of that video because it was awful. I'm going to do it again and hopefully this one turns out magical. Okay, so you're gonna need 4 of these frames. These were from the Dollar Tree. I really love the wood look to it. I think this is so pretty, and so I didn't have to paint these, which I was even more excited, and I think it kind of just gives like a little rustic feel to it, which our house, we have wood trim, so everything is wood in our house, so I really like to try to keep that in our house without trying to make like things all white and stuff, because obviously I can't do all white because like I said, we have wood trim, so some of that stuff just doesn't look right in our house. So now I'm just going to take my needle nose pliers and take all those little black things off that hold the glass to the picture frames, and then I'm just going to take some E6000 and rub it along the corners. I'm doing this in a really thin motion and then using a hot glue gun. I ended up using a different hot glue gun I purchased recently just from Walmart. It was like in a big giant package and it was only $4.97, but this gun that I have, I know everybody loves it because it has a stand, but it's actually supposed to be cordless that you use with batteries, so it does not heat up as well as you think. So I was like so excited to finally get a new glue gun, and plus when you're making this lantern you really need like something small to go on the inside. So I just put all 4 sides up with the frames together, and then I was making sure these were perfect. I laid this on cardboard and this ended up turning out so cute. I was really excited because like I said, I have made one of these in the past and I end up throwing it away in the garbage, but I am seriously obsessed with these wood frames. And then this is where I started adding the glass back to the frames. I just took hot glue and just sealed it all down with all 4 sides, and this actually held up really well. I didn't have to use E6000, but this is my new little glue gun, and I'm telling you, for $4.97, this thing is amazing. I was so excited to finally get a new one of these. But yeah, so that's all I'm doing right now is just adding all the glass back to all 4 sides. And right here, I just didn't want anything to go to waste, and I really wanted a bottom for this lantern, so I just took one of the backs to the frames and I just cut around the edges, and then I just glued this to the bottom because I wanted a bottom. I hate when you make Dollar Tree like lanterns and stuff like that and it doesn't have a bottom because then everything falls out or you have to like fix it and move it all around. So I just used this, and it was black, so I didn't really think it mattered because you're not even going to be able to tell it's cardboard once you fill the lantern. And then I just went pretty simple with the inside of the lantern. I just used these pine cones. These are from the Dollar Tree and these smell like cinnamon and they are amazing. They come in a pack of 3, which you don't get a lot, but I did see some at Dollar General and you don't get as many for a larger price. So I just went with these. I ended up buying a bunch more, and then I also just using the dollar pumpkins from Target. I just thought this looked really cute and I thought it looked really rustic, and I was just so happy with the way this turned out. And that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this $4 DIY lantern, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!